Hello friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. So last class we have learned spinners. Okay, in this session I would like to explain Bootstrap5 progress bar. Okay, so progress bar is used to show some amount of work in progress. Okay, and to create a progress bar we use this progress bar class. Okay, so let me create a new file. Now I can save the file with progress bar.html. Progress bar. BS link css bootstrap.min.css. Yeah, I'm taking one container. Okay, let me create a progress bar. Create a progress bar. We use this progress class. Okay, I'm just making here. So inside of progress, let me create one div and we can give here name progress bar. Okay, right click, let me open in default browser. So here we go. I created this progress bar. So for this progress bar, okay, so we need to set some width in order to display the progress. So here I'm setting here on a 60% width there. With 60%. Let me go to this. So reload this. So there we go. We created this progress bar here. Okay. So this is the default progress bar. Let's reload this. So this is the default progress bar. So inside of this progress bar, if you want to give some text, we can write here some text in the div itself. Progress 60%. Okay. Just go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so there we go. We place the text here. Okay, and for the progress bar, we can also maintain some height here. Okay, see, setting the progress bar height. Setting some height for progress bar. Okay, let me copy this. We can paste it here. Okay, so there we can get some, we can set some height here. So for the progress is the right. You can take some style tag here. Okay, I'm setting some height. Okay, so let me take here on 30 pixels. So go to this browser, just reload this page. See, we're setting some height for this progress bar. Okay, so similarly, we can set different types of heights. Okay, different types of progress bars we have. Okay, see, we have a colored progress bar is there. Let me see that one. Color progress bar. Okay, for color progress bar. So here we go. Let me copy this and we can paste it here. Just make it to 40 and progress 40. Okay, so for this one by default we have this progress bar blue. So here I'm just applying primary. Okay, the same we make copy of this. Okay, So here we go. Just write success, danger, page warning, info, dark, okay, light. Okay, so for white we have, and we also have secondary, that is we can apply BG secondary. Okay, so go to this, just reload this page. Look at this. Okay, so we place here a progress bars with the different colors. Okay, and I'm setting here MB2, same for all. Okay, if you want to set some height, you can also set some height for this, for the progress bar. Okay, go there, just reload this page. So we created this here, a progress bars. Okay, so for this progress bar, we can set some height for this. We can write here, take some style tag. Okay, so I'm gonna set here in a height 25 pixels. Go there, just reload this page. Look at this. We set some height here. The same we can copy and we can paste it for all the progress bars. Go there, just reload this page. Look at this. Okay, and we can also set some width here. So 50, we can write 50 here, and we can set some 60% here. We can set 60% progress bar. So we can set 70%, 70%. Okay, go this. So go to this, just reload this. Look at this. Okay, so these are the color progress bar we have. Okay, so I need a zebra crossing lines towards this progress bar that we have on class is there. That is nothing but progress bar striped. Okay, you can type here progress bar striped. Okay, this class will add, okay, zebra crossing lines towards this progress bar. Let me add here, just add progress bar striped. So go to this, just reload this page. So there we go. I just make here progress bar type. Now we're gonna apply some animations for this progress bar. To apply animations for this progress bar, we have one class is called progress bar animated. So let me add this class also. Okay. So progress bar animated, in order to add animated progress bar. In previous versions, in Bootstrap 3, we just add active class so that the progress bar is getting animated. Okay, and later it is migrated as a progress bar animated class. Okay, we can add in Bootstrap 5 so that this progress bar will be animated. Okay, and we can also set some here multiple progress bar at a time. Okay, so multiple progress bar. Progress. Okay, so set this. I'm just copying this. Okay, we can paste it here. Okay, progress bar, basic primary, and progress bar typed and animate. Let me remove this one. I'm just taking here progress bar and busy. Okay, so here primary. Let me copy this one. Same thing. I'm just making to here a 30. I'm just making to here success. Okay, so similarly same we can make it to here danger. Okay, go to this browser, just reload this page. See, we just place here multiple progress bar here. Okay, we can also set some height here. Style height 30 pixels. See, and I can also set 70 pixels also. There we go. Okay, like we can set here progress bars. Okay, so like we can create a progress bars in Bootstrap 5.